Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two amazing applications, and both the applications are so amazing that you will never uninstall these applications from your phone. I'm going to tell you how these applications work and what kind of settings are required. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any technical video every day. Now for the first application, simply just have to go to the Google Play Store and install this application. Name is Easy Scroll Automatic Scrolling. Yes, this is an amazing application. This application really helps you if you're busy and you don't want to touch your phone, but this application will really help you in that case. So I'm going to show you how this will work. Now once you install and open this application, it will come up like this. Simply just click on OK and it will ask you to allow some permission, which is very important. First of all, that's an easy scroll. Allow this one here, then come out of this one, then the easy scroll volume key, allow this one as well. This permission you have to allow to this application and then come out of this one. This is the interface which you will be getting, from where you can do some kind of settings here. Let me just show you how this application properly work for you, then I'll tell you all these settings as well. Now when you come out of this application, there is a panel automatically comes in here, this one, that's a blue one. This is the panel automatically comes on your screen. Now let's suppose if you go to the YouTube and you are watching YouTube right now on your phone and you are also doing some work, but you want to see that what videos are there on your phone. So what you need to do, simply just have to use these icons which are there. Now when you click on this double icon here, this one like this, it will automatically start scrolling your screen. You don't need to touch your screen. It will automatically start scrolling it like this. You don't need to do, you can just leave your phone on a stand or anywhere and then it will automatically start scrolling it down. Now with this icon you can able to speed up this scrolling as well. Let me show you. Here you can simply just tap on this icon here. It will increase the scroller speed as well. See this? The speed has been increased right now. If I tap it more, the speed is now 82%. If I make it to 88%, the speed is like this. I'm not touching my phone right now. It's automatically getting scrolling down. You can also use this application on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Anywhere you can use this application and you don't need to touch your phone. It will automatically do it for you. This application I really like. If you're eating your food or you want to see your all the posts on Instagram, you can start using this application in your phone as well. So this application is really amazing. You should try this one. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the second application, and the second application in my list is, again you have to go to the Google Play Store and the application name is Translate on Screen. Yes, you can able to translate anything with this application, but in a unique way. Yes, I'll tell you how. First of all, you have to make it turn it on. This one is the button, the red one. You have to make it turn it on. Now it's on right now. There is an icon automatically comes on your screen. This one, this is an icon. You see this one? This is the bubble icon automatically comes on your screen. Now here, first of all, you have to select which language you want to translate. I want to translate this English language to my native language, which is Hindi. So I'm going to select here Hindi and then click on close. That's it. What exactly you need to do now, let's suppose if I go out of this application, this bubble always remain on my screen, right? So I have to just go to the Google Chrome, and if I search here coronavirus and I click on this any page, so everything is in English, so I want to translate it into the Hindi. So what I need to do, I just simply have to select the line. These are the lines which I want to transfer into the Hindi. So what I need to do, I just have to take this bubble and put it onto the top of the left side of the lines, and then I have to double click on this one and then drag it onto the right side by selecting the area which I want to translate like this. I have selected the area and I have to leave this bubble icon from here. Now you can see this one, this has been translated here. This is English and this is in Hindi. So this application is really amazing. You should try this application to translate any language from your native language. So both the applications are really amazing. I will be putting the link of both the application in the description. You can check it from there. Any question related to this, you can simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.